People in custody in connection to a deadly hazing investigation in Baton Rouge. Here's a look at the new images we got of the suspects today.
A third student, Isaiah Smith, turned himself into police this morning and then appeared in court just a few hours ago. WDSU's Brittany Werner live in front of the courthouse in Baton Rouge with new details about his bond and what lawyers are saying about the alleged crime.
Yeah, well, today in court, we learned that Isaiah Smith was allegedly the one who drove Caleb to the hospital where he was left for dead. Now, Smith is the third Southern University student to surrender to police following Caleb McRae and Kyle Thurman. Those are the other two. A judge set Smith's bond at $25,000 for criminal hazing, matching McRae and Thurman for the same charge. However, McRae faces an additional manslaughter charge with a $75,000 bond. Smith, the dean of pledges for Omega Psi Phi, was one of three people named in court records accused of hitting pledges with boxing gloves during a hazing ritual. Documents also showing Wilson collapsed and had a seizure after being struck in the chest. He later died after being dropped off at a hospital, allegedly by Smith. Smith faces felony hazing charges, but formal charges are still pending. We spoke with his attorney, who argued it's a difficult case, so it's hard to say what charges should be upheld.
Manslaughter can be a battery where there's no intent to kill and a death occurs. So manslaughter could fit. Negligent homicide is when there's gross negligence, a big deviation from a standard of care, that could fit. Or in my client's case, my client didn't even make contact with Caleb, and so the argument might be, well, he shouldn't be held responsible for a felony hazing where serious bodily injury or death occurs.
And Smith's attorney also asked the judge to lower his bond, arguing that, again, he was not the one who physically hit Caleb. However, that judge denied that request. Reporting live in Baton Rouge, Brittany Werner, WDSU News.